We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge, and I'm working with an HP M-521DN. So you want to press this button right here with your toner symbol on it. And this one takes a CE255X. Go ahead and pull that toner out. And then you'll want to set it to the side, that way you don't get them mixed up or anything like that. And then you'll want to unbox your new one and stick it in your guides. Once you hear it click, then you know it's in there properly. Shut your front hatch and you should be good to go. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.